Come on, dear students. I am starting my second lecture on India in size and location. In first lecture, I already explained you that regarding area, we are on 7th position in whole world. Now take a very important knowledge about our country. This is our longitudinal and latitudinal extension. Before explaining this, I want to explain you something that what is longitudes and what is latitudes, and how this explanation is important to explain the exact location of our country. If you want to find out exact location of any nation of the world, you have to take information of latitude and longitude and very clear. Here there is a question, what is latitudes and what is longitudes? As you know, our world is a spherical in shape. This is just like orange because this is round, but a slightly flat from both sides, from what northern poles and from southern poles. On northern pole and southern pole, our country is slightly flat. When human being got a clear information, knowledge about the exact picture of our world, they made a picture of whole world. This is known as globes. In other words, you can say that globe is the model of the earth. On globes, for taking clear information about the different places, different countries, we drawn some vertical and some horizontal lines. I want to explain this. Just here you imagine, this is the model of our earth. This is our world. We draw two types of lines here, vertical line and horizontal lines, like this. Vertical line drawn from 0 degree to the poles, like this. Horizontal lines are also drawn like this. This is globe. This is the model of our earth. There are two types of line drawn on this. This is horizontal line and this is vertical line. Okay, vertical lines are known as longitudes, whereas horizontal lines are latitudes. You have to take information about some important latitudes and longitudes. This becomes important for you. So take some brief information about this. This is 0 degree latitude and this is 0 degree longitude. 0 degree latitude is known as equator. equator. This is 0 degree latitude and this is known as equator. This is 0 degree longitude. Oh, okay. Now this 0 degree latitude is divided the whole world into two equal parts. The northern side from this equator is known as northern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. And from this 0 degree to south pole, this area is known as southern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. Now try to find out location of your country in this map, in this globe. Our country is here. Our country is here. This is 23.5 degree latitude. 23.5 degree latitude. We draw different lines from this 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree to the poles. And from this side also 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and from southern pole too. Here 23.5 degree passes through nearly middle of our country, and this divides our country into two equal parts. Nearly South India and North India. Take a fact. This is 23.5 degree latitude, which is known as Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. And in southern hemisphere, 23.5 degree latitude is known as Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. This Tropic of Cancer passes through our country India, and this divides our country into two equal parts, that's South India and North India. Now through this information we are clear on the point that our country India is completely in northern hemisphere. Take a fact here that this latitudes gives you information about different heat zones of the world. According to heat zone, our world is divided in three parts, that is torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. This is also the division made by different latitudes. So these latitudes are very important. Next information we will take in our next classes. Okay.